A common misconception about front-loading washing machines is that they all smell bad. But with proper cleaning and maintenance, this doesn't have to be true. Here are some quick tips for keeping foul odors from developing. First, store a microfiber towel on top of your washer for easy access. After each load of laundry, quickly wipe down the rubber gasket, removing any excess water and grime that collects. Second, every other month, run what we call a clean cycle on your washer. There are several types of front-load washer cleaners available on the market. These cleaners do in fact make a difference. Follow the manufacturer's instructions when using these cleaners. Sometimes debris can collect in the washer trap. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for locating and cleaning the trap. We recommend doing this on a regular basis, about every 2 months. Lastly, if your laundry room design allows, keep the washer door open between washes. This will let the drum of the washer dry out completely.